Hi CMS. Welcome to CMA Part 2 quiz on Section E, Investment Decisions. This quiz is based on net present value. Net present value is a capital budgeting technique which is used to evaluate the capital projects. The best part of NPV is it considers time value of money and all the cash flows that are generated throughout the a life of the project. Let's have a question here. A company is evaluating a project which requires an initial investment of 500,000. The project is expected to generate the following cash flows. Year 1, 2, 3. We have 200,000, 250,000 and 300,000 respectively. The company's required rate of return is 10%. What is the net present value of the project? See here, initial investment is 500,000 and the life of the project is 3 years. The required rate of return is 10%. When we consider this cash flows and discount factor at 10%, 200,000 is discounted at 10% multiplied by 0.9091, 250,000 multiplied by 0.8264 and 300,000 times 0.7513. The sum of the present values give us 613,824, whereas our initial investment was 500,000. So the project is giving a net present value of 113,824. Hence the project should be accepted. Hope you understand. Happy learning. We'll see you in the next quiz.
Before you leave, here's something that can completely transform the way you prepare for your exams. If you want comprehensive video lectures, premium study notes, chapter-wise MCQs, mock tests, practice questions, quizzes, and regular updates, all in one place, download the Letslearn Global app today. Android users, search for Letslearn Global on the Google Play Store and install the app. iPhone and iPad users, download the Class Plus app from the Apple App Store. After installing it, open the app and enter the organization code, Enrich, to access all our courses. Whether you're preparing for US CMA, CPA, EA, UGC NET, Commerce, Accounting, Finance, or professional certification exams, you'll find high-quality learning resources designed to help you succeed. Don't just study harder, study smarter with structured learning, expert guidance, and exam-focused content. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, your success begins with the right learning partner. Let's Learn Global, your global learning partner.